with the new 3-station combo unit. It features 2 full restrooms with toilet, corner sink, and shower. And the 3rd room features stackable washer and dryer with a table for folding laundry. So we're at the rear of the trailer where we have the gray water diverter drain. This is in here. You can open up and there's a valve and you can divert the water coming from the showers or the laundry into the tank, or open up a valve and drain it to an external tank. Back at the mechanical room, you've got your plug-in for your AC, water heater, and converter over here, and then a separate plug for your washer and dryer. When you open up the door, you're going to have all of your service panels, switches, plumbing valves, a 100-gallon freshwater tank. Your AC is located in here with a thermostat and your freshwater pump. Up at the front of the trailer, we have the city water connection, just a standard garden hose connection. You've got your 2 30-pound LP tanks, your water heater, on-demand LP water heater. It's very important that you remove this cover prior to use. And then you do have your 3-inch waste valve up here with the male quick connect on it.